Okay, let's go and move on from the warm-up. And if we look up here, here are 4 things I did do today. But I want you to notice, I definitely did not do them in this order. I ate lunch, I woke up, I went to school, I brushed my teeth. I cannot eat lunch before I wake up. So, from the warm-up, what was that word we talked about that helps us put things in order? Abdullah. Yes, good. Linking words. And let's write a few of these. Let's brainstorm some of these together. A good place to start would be, here's your hint. Right, yes, first. That's a good linking word. And after first, what's natural? Yes, Ali? Good. Second. We could say third, but let's think of some others. Hassan. Good, yes. Next. We can always use next. And over here, Faisal, another one. Then. Good. That's a really popular one. How about when we're getting to the end? What can we say? There are 2 different really common ones. In the end, what can we say? And yes, good. Last. What's another way to say last? It's a little harder, but really, really common. Nice, yes, we do hear a lot, finally. So, thinking about these that we have up here, thinking about these linking words, what can we guess up here I did first? Yes, yeah, everyone's got that easy. First thing is, first, I woke up. Very nice. And let's go, Ibrahim. Tell me a good word we can put for the next one. Oh, you do like the word next? Sure. We'll go ahead and go with next second. And which one do you think is next? Yeah, most people true. We usually brush our teeth in the morning. Next. Good. All right. And who can tell me what they think I did next after this? Faisal, very good. Yes, I went to school. And which word do you think we should put for here before I went to school? We could use next again, but what's another one that means really the same thing that we could also use? Yeah, I think then will sound better. Very nice. Okay. And now we have the last one here. And let's go with Abdulaziz. Which one do you think, which word sounds nice for before I ate lunch? Sure. Last works well. So remember, all these are called linking words. And what they do is they help us put things in order, in a logical order we can follow. One thing after another. All right, nice work. We're gonna have a small activity coming up, but good start. Nice work today. All right, the next thing we have today, we're going to do a little practice together. So we can see these 4 pictures up here. This is making toast. Some of you say you can't cook. Making toast is not really cooking. It's very easy to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to put these in order and use linking words to describe how to make toast. So if we look up here, which one do we think goes first? Is it going to be this one when it comes up? No. How about when we push it down? No, that can't be it. Putting butter on? Probably not the first thing. Yeah, we can see here the picture. His hand's putting it in. So how do we want to start using a linking word? How can we make a sentence for this one here? Ollie, I'll write that down and we'll think about it. And yeah, good. You know this is a toaster. Very nice. First, put the toast. Oops. First, put the toast in the toaster. Good idea, but I think there's really one word we want to change here. Can anyone guess what that's going to be? Ibrahim, yes. What word should we change? Good. This word toast. We don't really want to say put the toast in the toaster. Because when we're putting it in, what do we call it when we first put it in? Yeah, Ibrahim, right. We put the bread in the toaster. It is not toast yet. All right, so this first one is done. Put the bread in the toaster. Now, in pairs, you all have these pictures, copies of these pictures. I want you to label each one. Excuse me, not label. I want you to write sentences, and remember, using these linking words first. Using linking words to start your sentence and put the steps in order. I'll give you about 4 or 5 minutes and we'll come back together and talk about it and make sure we're all on the same page. All right, good luck. I'll circulate and help anyone who needs help. I'll come around and check. All right, have fun. Let's do it.